This time we are going to install Python on Android. I have already downloaded my termux. You can download it from Play Store. Let me see if I can update it on Play Store. If I can update it, then I'm going to update. No, it doesn't require to be updated. Let me just open it, and once you open it, it's going to show that the first thing you do when you open termux, even if it's for the first time, you say apt-get no, I wanted to write get update assume yes. That's the first thing you do when you install termux. So it's done, it's doing 93% working. It's already done, so let's clear. And now installing Python, we just say apt-get install Python. For another programming language, so if you want to install Python, you say Python and you press enter, and then you write y. For I, that's not the case. I enter n because I don't want to install Python, but it can install. I have my automated script where everything's going to install. I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description in case you want my automated script. Thank you.